Åtta Göra? Atta Gora? Selamat sore! Good afternoon everyone, Kenneth here, and before doing full reviews in the future, I want to kickstart things with an unboxing, and this is my first Indiegogo stuff. So very excited to see this. They are currently priced at $79. No, actually that was $69, sorry. So $69 with 15 products left and $79 with like 1,000 left in like 15 days. Let's see if it's gonna be worth it. $69, $79, or even its original price $115. Let's find out. Before starting, I would like to remind you to do click the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing if you like these kind of content and want more of it. Also feel free to follow me on social medias. I'm on Instagram and Twitter. All links down in the description below, and let's crack this thing up. Or actually, let's tear it up. I'm gonna use full care here to... Okay, there you go. Yeah. So that I won't damage the thing because it looks so good. At this price, 80 bucks, 70 bucks, I have only checked out the Sabbath E12 at the moment, not even the Sabbath E12 Ultra. And you know, I need competition in that price range, and I do actually need to work more on, you know, reviewing more stuff, but currently let me complete that sentence. I don't really have that much time. But yeah, a better way to listen. I don't know if you can see it here. And a wolf and a bird. Actually, I mean, I read about their company first before taking this. So yeah, they emailed me. This is sponsored, but I'm just gonna check it out if it's gonna be worth it for you too. So this, I will go easy on it. So there you go. Let's open it up. Oh, it folds out like a book. Ooh, whoa, that is so different. What is this? Let me see. Thank you for choosing Atta Gora. In your hands, you're holding the Liberté True Wireless Earbuds, our very first release. That's fancy. That's really fancy. I have to say that. On the top here, we've got some... Wow. What is that? We've got some... Oh, array of... We have 4 sizes of ear tips and ear fins, which I just dropped. And by the way, it's a little bit hard to take out, but no, doesn't matter. So what is this box that's on the top part here? I guess this is gonna be the USB charging cable. And let's see if it uses USB-C or Type Micro A, sorry. And ta-da! It uses USB-C, so that's really nice to hear. It's just like the Sabbath E12, USB-C. Once going at this price, USB-C. I won't take anything less. And also the cable is a nice length too. It's like 1.5 meters or something, because usually they give you this like one hand, not even this, like 1 finger long cable that you basically it's useless. Just don't use it anymore. So yeah, you can use this to charge your phones and stuff like that. But you know, it's like a generic quality cable, but don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's all good. It's all good. But I just realized, I'm truly sorry about it. These are the larger ones and these are the smaller ones. So I'm assuming that what you get inside here is the medium-sized ones. And so we don't have 4 sizes, we just have 2 pairs. Let me open it up again. So this is the earbuds itself. It's really funny. It's like a Barbie house playable thing that, you know, you open the doors, close it like that. This is an unboxing experience I never expect, and I never thought that I would be able to have. Nice. Here we have the earbuds itself. The build quality, I think for the price, it's really nice. I'm not sure for $100, but for $70, it sure is really nice because you have this faux leather strap here. Not sure if that will do any help, but I mean, you can take it just like that. And also, it has like this small metal bar here at the bottom, and that can, you know, cover the USB-C port while you're not using it. Oh, and it has a little magnetic snap onto the bottom of it too. So, wow. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Type-C charging port here, so that's good. And the writings here, they're fine. They're fine. Matte black color. Even though on the outside it's kind of like the new midnight green of the iPhone. Yeah, and once you open it, there you go. You have this. It's not supposed to stick here. It's supposed to be like right here, you know, on the bottom, and then it'll be like, 1, remove the film on the earbuds, and 2, put earbuds back to the charging case to activate. Just like the Halos, you know, they have some little but this one is way more visible than the Halos, so gotta take that off. Okay, that's pretty sticky. You will uncover the charging pins. I'm gonna put it back into the case, the right side, and it should be charging. So yeah, there you go. It's charging. I can hear like some sounds there, but wow. If you can see here, the charging animation is more like, you know, it's breathing in and out on the LED here. So that's a nice touch. So, oh, I just noticed this. What is this? Wow, what is this bar? I can see that there are like 4 compartments here, but it's so cool to see. Can you see that? It's so cool to see like one bar just like this. It will dim one by one when, you know, it gets to 75, 50%. Probably you will be curious how it sounds. These use, I'm just, forgive me. I never unbox like nice things like this, and you can see there is a metal mesh. This mesh is metal, so that will be very nice if you want to clean your earbuds and you don't have to be afraid of puncturing like that thing. Usually it's made out of like plastic mesh, right? So now let's try out and pair this thing. I think they are both paired, and this one is searching for a phone because it's flashing blue and white. I think it's off now. What are they doing? They're breathing in and out. Let me take my phone. On their website, they are claiming that they use graphene, which is like, I don't know, some fancy material. Sorry about my reaction. I'm overreacting here, but like I tend to overreact, so I'm sorry for that. The naming here is Åtta Göra Liberté, so it's like, it's very without the special characters though, so it's kind of inconsistent. At the same time, this is more correct to what they are intending these names to be said. It's like Åtta Göra instead of, you know, the true Norwegian or Swedish pronunciation of these things. Anyway, that's like one of my critique. Anyhow, let's just try to pair it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that takes about 4 seconds. I kind of counted there. It has that QCY sound of like ding ding, but slightly higher pitch. This is supposed to be a master slave earbud though. It's not the usual how do you call it, dual mode. Oh my god. Let's hear how this sounds, and I'm gonna listen to a track from Hotel del Luna. Oh my goodness. If you guys are watching, please do let me know down in the description below. I'm curious how many of you also watch this one. I love this show. Skip to my most favorite song in the album. This is... I'll get back when I finished listening to some songs here. One thing that I noticed is it doesn't go very loud though. It's more like the Halo where you have to go at about 75-80% volume to like get it decently loud, but you know, the Sabbath can go much louder. Let's change a playlist into the review playlist. You can find a link down in the description below if you use Apple Music as well, so you can hear it also. And yeah, let's start. Wow. Let's try it out. How many minutes later is this? 15? I'm still having goosebumps. Have you ever got that like feeling of when you assume this and that, but actually it's entirely not true? Ooh, man. You probably have know that I have changed tone right now because I'm quite literally freezing and amazed at the same time. It's just... Have I said this before? This thing is no joke. The Åtta Göra, this thing, even at $115, I think it will be worth it. It's like the best of all worlds or something like that. I've compared it quickly with the Sabbath, with the Halo GT2, with the TISO i6 even. I do like the TISO i6. I will talk about it very soon. I do like how the Halo sounds. I do like how the Sabbath sounds. They all have their own different characteristics. This one is more to the bassy side. EDM songs, it's killing it. Sabbath and the Halo both have similar character. Probably you cannot see it here. 15 days left until that campaign ends. Probably you should check this one out. They don't pay me for anything. They just contact me by email asking me if you want to check it out. I was like, probably this uses some old tech, you know, graphene, marketing fluff and all that. I noticed it first with Enter Sandman by Metallica. I was surprised. I was blown by how the soundstage is so, like, it seemed large in this one. It has the basic character of the TISO i6. I mean, not as bassy, but like 70-75% of it. But it still has the vocals, the mids, and the highs. For example, that Don't Stop Me Now by Queen. Usually I just like them. Yeah, it's fun. But this one, it's really defined. Like, it's not cramped. Even though I said that this is not as cramped as the others, but this is even more open. It's just crazy. It's, oh man, the trebles, right? The S's, the T, it still pierces you like it's sharp. I'm scared to say that this is like one of the best in its price or something like that, because of course I haven't checked the other competitions. It's only this one, but it does sound there, I would say, the best of all the earbuds that I have heard. And yeah, also that dual mode Bluetooth surprises me. It has dual mode Bluetooth, so forget about master slave. Probably I'm not gonna put it in the video anyway. Pick up whatever you like, switch whenever you like. It has sound though, so it's like interrupted, just like the QC1 T5. It has like ding ding. Go check out my dual mode Bluetooth explanation if you want to know what is dual mode Bluetooth. Some more features here, why I think that even at 115 bucks it's worth it. This is a no compromise thing. It's got USB-C, it's got a wireless charging at the back of the case, it's got touch control. Even though no volume control, unfortunately it would be perfect if it had volume control, but no volume control. By the way, there's like some weird noise here when it's charging, but when you're putting it into your ear and you're listening, there are no noise, so that's pretty good. And also the battery, it claims to be 5 hours, which is very decent. It goes loud. It goes really loud. Not Sabbath loud probably, but it's like 90% of Sabbath, but more than the Halo. 100% of Halo, it's like 80% here. And from 80% to 100, the increase is a lot. It's on a Powerbeats Pro level. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, I guess. I want to do a little call test, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it. Let's see. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna put it at the end of the video. Just keep watching. And this is it. Atta Gora unboxing. Check them out in their Indiegogo campaign if you would like to know more about these. I think they're not joking. I mean, I think these are the real deal. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Kenneth here, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, because I feel it'll be a while before I can make a full review of this, so let's just see how it performs in a call test. This is me talking to the iPhone 6s at about, arm's length, and right now I'm gonna take the earbuds out. Okay, so here we go, earbuds. And I have to take it carefully. Yeah, right now actually we are on the Åtta Göra. Before I accidentally touch it while wearing it, so that's kind of like one thing there. Or you can accidentally touch it. It's not double tap and the call will end, so be careful with that. But other than that, it's so great. My first impressions are really good. This is how it sounds like, by the way, from the Åtta Göra. I'm not sure if it uses the left side or right side. So there you go. I'm gonna put the right side in and see how the microphone, is it still working? Yeah, it's still paired and uses the Åtta Göra, the left side. I'm gonna take the right side again out. Okay, they are paired now, and I'm gonna take the left side now. So it should be in the right side now. Right. So let's take it, put it into the case. See that nice LED breathing there? That's really nice. And I'm talking at less volume than what I usually talk. So if you kind of hear that the volume is a little bit less here, so that's why, because like I don't talk as loud as I normally do. I'm still very I can't find a word. I'm very I So yeah, this is the right side. I'm gonna take the left side again, complete the whole package, and let's see. There you go. That's the mic used. And yeah, that's it. What do you think of the mic switching? Is it seamless? Sound quality? I'm only testing it indoors, and we're gonna test it outside in the full review. And also by the design, it's more like, it's like, let me just take my phone. So it's to the top like this, as opposed to what usually earbuds do, is pointing your microphone towards your mouth, just like that. But here, it's more like upwards. That's where it's most comfortable to me. So I'm not sure if the microphone will sound better than the usual ones. And yeah, this is what it sounds like. I hope this video really helps. If you want to purchase it, I think I can give it a go, for sure. So that's pretty much it. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'm gonna close the call by one tap.